Welcome to Hello Market. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use a QR code on your Hello Market mail piece that your recipients can scan with their mobile phones to visit your website, online video, or simply to read a hidden message. I'm going to sign in and open a creative I've been working on. As you can see on the back page, I don't currently have a QR code, and what I need to do is to replace the back page layout with one that does contain a QR code. To do this, I click Change Page Layout. In the keyword list on the left of the page layout dialog, you will see an entry named QR code. Clicking this link restricts the available page layouts to those containing QR codes. I'm going to select one of these layouts for my back page. You can now see a new container on the page containing Add a QR code. I can move this around and resize it like the other containers if I need to, but for now I'm going to click the container which will bring up the QR code contents dialog. You can see a drop down box showing the current QR code data source, which is set to enter a custom value, and underneath the drop down box is a text box where I can type in the value. The QR code value can be a web address or any other message, so I can type the Hello Market web address in, and when I click Done, my creative has been updated with the QR code. It would be good to scan the QR code to check that it scans correctly, but at the moment it appears too small on my screen. I could temporarily resize it and scan, and I can get a larger preview using the Preview tool. Click on Preview in 3D and the 3D model will appear. The model is also a bit too small, but I can click the page link and move the zoom slider to the top and then click Zoom in. A zoom window will appear on my preview, and if I move that over the QR code and click with the mouse, a larger version will appear, which is large enough for me to scan. If you use a custom value for your QR code, then the contents will be the same for every mail item printed. However, you can use Hello Market to populate the QR code with a value from your data. Returning to the QR code content dialog, I can change Enter a custom value to Get from User Data. The custom text box will be replaced by a note saying that you'll need to select a field from the data at a later point. Clicking Done, you'll see that the QR code is once again populated. If you were to scan the code, you'd see the message User Data field. To populate this QR code, I need to import some data. I have a data file that has an extra field named Perl, which means personalized URL. Each person in my data has a different web address that I want them to visit. When I upload my data, I'm given the standard name and address tagging dialog, and once I click Import, I'm now being asked which of my data fields holds the QR code information. Because I only have one field in my dataset that's not name or address information, the Perl field has been selected by default. If you have more fields, make sure you select the right one. I simply click Next and then use this data. Clicking Continue to get to the summary page, I can now click Preview Your Creative to see the live data being used with the QR code. I'll go to the back page, zoom in, and by scanning with my mobile phone, I can see that the QR code contains the value from the Perl field. Moving through my records, I can check that the QR contents change as expected. That was how to use QR codes with Hello Market. For more information about other personalization techniques, including text drop-ins, text switching and image switching, please see the tutorial videos on the support page.